Hello everyone. Welcome to the video lecture series on subject Basic Electrical Engineering. Myself Pankil Shah
and I am Dobaria Niketan. Here we are going to introduce with basic electrical engineering. But before that, let us introduce you with what is electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering is the branch of engineering which deals with the study and application of electricity and magnetism. We cannot imagine our modern life without electricity. So let us understand what electrical engineers do.
So here let's find out what is the role of electrical engineers.
We
generate electricity using various power plants like nuclear, solar, wind and many more. We
transmit electricity using high voltage transmission lines. You can see these transmission lines on highways. We also distribute
electricity up to your houses, up to various industries, commercial buildings by setting up substations, distribution lines, and by that we light up the world, we give light to the machines. World runs on the electricity.
So basically we can say that we
electrify the world. Electricity is extensively used in many applications,
from nano-sized motors to man-made satellites. Electricity is used everywhere. Let us see some application of this branch, this subject. Power electronics,
power system,
electromagnetic and wave,
microwaves,
nanotechnology,
electrochemistry,
renewable energy,
mechatronics,
material science and many more. So basically in this video lecture series we are going to study about the basic electrical engineering subject. So now let's move towards the syllabus of basic electrical engineering.
Hello, let's discuss the syllabus of basic electrical engineering. Here we are going to discuss 5 chapters, in which first one will be the DC circuits. In DC circuit, initially we will start with discussion of few basic terms related to electricity, and that is what is voltage, what is current, what is power, energy, resistance and many more. After that, next we will discuss various types of sources which provide electrical energy, like what is voltage source, current source and many more. Next we will discuss various types of connection, like what is series connection, what is parallel connection, star and delta connection. Next we will discuss various laws like Kirchhoff's law, KVL, KCL and Ohm's law. Next in this chapter we will discuss various theorems like superposition theorem, Thevenin theorem, Norton's theorem, and lastly in this chapter we will discuss time domain analysis of RL and RC series circuit. That is nothing but a mathematical formulas of charging and discharging of capacitor as well as inductor. So these are the topics of chapter number 1 DC circuit, which will be discussed in this video series. In next chapter, that is in chapter number 2, that is mainly divided in 2 parts. First one will be the single phase AC circuit and next part will be the 3-phase AC circuit. In single phase AC circuit, we will start with representation of sine wave, in which we will discuss how to generate AC voltage, means generation of AC voltage, as well as how to represent that AC sinusoidal voltage. After that, we will discuss various terms related to alternating terms like what is average value, what is the peak value, what is RMS value and many more. Next, Here we will discuss various powers like active power, reactive power, apparent power, and next we will discuss what is power factor, what is the significance of power factor in AC circuit in our system, and next we will discuss various AC circuit. We will analyze the various AC circuit like purely resistive circuit, inductive circuit, capacitive circuit, as well as we will also discuss various series and parallel circuit over here. And lastly, in single phase AC circuit, we will discuss resonance condition for series circuit and parallel circuit. So this is the single phase AC circuit. Now in three phase AC circuit, we will start with the introduction of three phase AC circuit. Means what is three phase AC? Again, what kind of connection will be in three phase? How to generate three phase AC voltage? And next, in three phase AC circuit, we will discuss two types of connection of three phase circuit. First one will be the star connection. Next one will be the delta connection. So here we will discuss the star connection and delta connection. We will compare them and we will analyze both circuits. And lastly, in the circuit, we will discuss how to measure power for three phase circuit. So these are the topics of three phase circuit. So this is the chapter number 2 of basic electrical engineering. And now next and third chapter of the BEE, that is transformers, in which mainly we will discuss three transformers over here. First one will be the single phase transformer, in which mainly we will discuss its construction and working. Next we will discuss the three phase transformer. Again, in three phase transformer we will again discuss its construction and working over here. And lastly we will discuss the auto transformer. Again we will discuss the construction and working of auto transformer, and we will also discuss merits and demerits of all these transformers, as well as various application of all these three transformers. So this was the third chapter, and now in fourth chapter, and that is electrical machines. In this chapter we are going to study four machines over here. Machines that covers motors and generator. Here initially we will start with three phase induction motor. Our focus will be construction of three phase induction motor as well as the working principle of three phase induction motor, means how it works. Next we will discuss single phase induction motor. Again, for this motor we will discuss how it is constructed, what is the exactly construction of single phase induction motor and how it works, and various types of single phase induction motor. Now next we will discuss DC motor. In DC motor again we will discuss its construction and we will also discuss its working principle, and we will also discuss types of the DC motors over here. And lastly, in this chapter we will again discuss the construction and working of alternator, in short AC generator. So these were the contents of chapter number 4, and that is AC circuit. Now last chapter of basic electrical engineering, and that is electrical installation. In this chapter we will study different parts of electrical systems over here. Let's start with first one, and that is switch gears. In other way, various protecting devices, in which we will discuss various fuse, MCB, MCCB, ELCB. These are the various protecting devices which we install in our system to protect our electrical system. Next, we will discuss various wires and cables, in which we will discuss the construction of various types of cable based on their applications. at which application which kind of wires will be used, and based on its application and requirement how it will be constructed. That will be discussed in this topic, that is wireless cables. Now in next topic we will discuss earthing. In earthing we will discuss why we require earthing, what is the significance of earthing, and what are the various types of earthing. That will be discussed over here. Now in next topic we will discuss various batteries over here. We will discuss the construction of various batteries. We will discuss the various working principle of various batteries over here. And in next topic we will discuss power factor. What is the meaning of power factor in our system, and exactly what is the significance of power factor. It should be high or it should be low, and what can we do to improvise the power factor. So this will be discussed over here. And lastly, in this chapter we will discuss bill calculation. That means when we use electricity at our home and when government provide a bill of particular amount, so how to calculate the amount of that bill, that will be discussed in this chapter. So this was the syllabus of basic electrical engineering, and this will be discussed over here. So stay tuned with me. Thank you.